Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. So guys, if you are watching this, I hope you are sitting down, okay? Because I have some crazy news to share with you guys. Uber and Lyft could possibly be getting beaten by this new company. There is a new company starting. Some college kids created it, but it is wildly successful and they don't take any commission from drivers, which is absolutely insane. And I'm not talking about one of these new scam rideshare companies that you need to pay hundreds of dollars per month. I'm talking about an actual legitimate company. They actually do have funding. It's like, again, like from college students. I think they went to Harvard or Stanford or something, and they're starting up this company and investors are actually investing because it almost sounds like the perfect solution. And I think I'm gonna get into all of it. I think it's like 25 bucks a month, which is totally doable. I don't mind doing 25 bucks a month for, full commission because they do need to take some profit, obviously, if they're not taking it per ride. So I'm gonna jump into it. I'm gonna go over all the details, but before I do, if you drive for Uber and for Lyft, or any rideshare company, maybe you're interested in this new company, give the video a big thumbs up. If you do food delivery, rideshare, smash the thumbs up button. It really does help me a lot. That's how I am able to make videos for you guys. So thank you for doing that. And subscribe, if you want to be notified whenever I post videos about exciting new stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna get into the video now. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Again, the Rideshare Hub, this is a place for drivers to come together to learn how to make more money. So yeah, shout out to my Black Dot coffee. And yeah, guys, I just posted a new video and it's actually doing really well. I don't know if you guys have watched any of my other videos, but this is like honestly super exciting. I just posted this video 2 hours ago, 700 views. Why I quit Uber and Lyft. You do not want to miss that video. So let's get into this one. To beat Uber and Lyft, this startup vows to give drivers the full fare. Honestly, can we view this in full screen? I've never done this before for a video. Obviously you can see I'm heavily addicted to coffee. I have my own French press I made this morning and then I went out and bought some coffee. I usually don't do this, but Black Dot, if you've never had their Vietnamese iced coffee, oh my gosh, it is amazing. Okay, sorry, I'm a little distracted. I got caffeine running through my veins. Kenrick Kai says he writes about tech. He is a Forbes writer, and so this is actually super legit. It's not some sketchy blog site like you might have read some other articles about. But yeah, these are the two guys. Like, they look like college graduates or college students. And you always want to trust. Let's just go through it. It's called Nomad Rides. Co-founders Michael Hugh and Daniel Jones launched the ride-hailing platform at Indiana University Bloomington. Okay, so it wasn't Harvard or Stanford like I thought. It's Indiana University Bloomington. Is that a good school? Do you guys know anything about this school? 86 in the nation, so it's actually a really good school. Let's just quick flex. This is the school that I went to, UC Berkeley. Just graduated from there. What's our ranking? Oh, number 20. I thought we were higher than that. Well, whatever. That's according to Bing. I don't know. Let's do rank. It doesn't say. Whatever. Okay, back to this. Uber and Lyft have handily deflected any competition so far. Together, the two ride-hailing giants capture more than 98% of market spending, according to analytics company Second Measure. You guys know me. I am all about research and data, so whenever I see these links, I always do want to confirm that that is true. Yeah, so together 71 plus 27, that is indeed 98%. So this actually is correct. Commissions for each ride compromise a significant revenue stream for both companies. The long-standing anguish of many drivers. Uber says it takes 25% of every ride. And while Lyft is more coy about its cut, the rates are estimated to be comparable. However, factors such as ride distance can cause the commission to balloon above 40%. Let me know in the comment section down below, how much is Uber and Lyft taking out of your cut each ride? You know, obviously, like, they do need to make money, so they are taking a cut. That's how business works. But let me know if you guys, you can always go to your app in the ride, and it'll show the ride breakdown, how much Uber gets, how much Lyft gets, and then how much you get as a driver. So let me know. I've seen both. I've seen Uber lose money on rides, and I've seen Uber make a lot of money on rides. Sometimes it's like 50-50 split, sometimes it's like 80-20 split, 20-80, sometimes the surge is insane, and like, you know, we get paid per mile, and then surge, Uber just gets an insane amount, which, whatever, you know, at the end of the day, we're always making money. But let me know, because a lot of drivers do not like that, you know, the whole split thing. But I don't really mind the split. I mean, heck, I understand they need to make money. But yeah, that's why a lot of people did go on strike, was because of the split. When asked in 2015 why Uber was raising its commission rates, then executive reportedly said, because we can. Let's see at this source. I don't know. An Uber executive reportedly said. I don't know about that. I don't know how true that is. Or I don't know why an executive would have said that, or how anybody would get that public information. One startup with backing from Silicon Valley accelerator Y Combinator wants it. Oh, they have Y Combinator backing. That's crazy. If you guys don't know what Y Combinator is, it's basically, I want to say, the #1 incubator accelerator in the world. Airbnb went through them, I'm pretty sure, and a lot of huge companies went through Y Combinator. I actually do have a friend, shout out to you, Ian, if you're watching this, who is in Y Combinator right now. So it's pretty crazy. They give you $150,000 in exchange for like 5 or 7% of your company. And then they give you all these connections and blah, blah, blah. It's like insane. Most companies that go through them are like, you know, they become successful, and the founders become rich. So this company, I mean, that's a really, really good sign. And it's also really hard to get into Y Combinator too. There's like thousands and thousands of people who just apply. And out of that, only a handful of them get interviews. And then from the interviews, like only a handful get chosen. So it's really hard to get through. So, you know, it's YC verified, which is really good. Nomad Ride says this platform charges riders 20% less, while drivers earn 20% more, paying Nomad a flat monthly subscription, currently $25 a month. So that could change. You know, they are super new. It could go down. It could go up slightly. You never know. Maybe it'll end up being like $5 a month or something. You know, if they have a bunch of drivers all paying $5 a month, you know, it does add up for them. So, you know, or $25 a month. That's probably because they don't have that many drivers yet. Let's see. Let's read. The startup launched its app at Indiana University Bloomington in February. So what is it now? It's August. So that's, let's count together. February, March, April, May, June, July, August. 7 months they've been open. The results were absolutely bananas. Co-founder and CEO Daniel Jones told investors during a 2-minute pitch at Monday's Y Combinator. Oh, demo day. Maybe, yeah, if you guys ever want to like be inspired, go on YouTube, go on the internet and type in Y Combinator demo day. That's crazy. That's when all the companies pitch. 174 startups, yeah. In just 61 days, we completed over 5,700 rides. We had so much demand. We had over 9,400 ride requests. So it looks like they were barely able to do half of the rides because, you know, I guess people just loved it. I guess the rides were so cheap, but they just didn't have enough drivers. So I don't know, if you're looking for a job, sounds like Nomad Rides might be hiring soon for new drivers. Jones and co-founder Michael McHugh, the company's CFO, have big ambitions, sporting matching mint polos. Ooh, nice. You know, when they're matching mint polos, then they're legit. They concluded the pitch to a roar of laughter, and after Jones asked if the audience was interested in helping us kill Uber and Lyft. Okay, I'm not gonna clap for that. I love Uber and Lyft. I don't want to try to kill them. I mean, there's room for share though, for sure. Like, I don't know about destroying them. Let me know, do you guys want Uber and Lyft to be killed? That's a little harsh. Honestly, I probably wouldn't say that publicly, but hey, you know, a lot of times founders are extreme. They want to, you know, get to, you know, they want to be heard. So that saying that is very memorable. McHugh told Forbes that he and Jones see Nomad Rides as a software company rather than an Uber-esque ride-hailing app. Well, Uber is a software company, so I don't know. The startup's immediate goal, he said, is to prove through its pilot markets that it can be a software-only company that profits off of subscriptions. Oh, okay. Our biggest problem right now is that we have too much demand. Hey, that's a good problem to have. During Nomad's trial run earlier this year, some drivers did not feel comfortable using the app because it did not offer insurance. Oh, okay. Yeah, insurance is huge. Or possess a transportation TNC license, he added. In fact, the startup paused its service after 2 months because it was operating illegally at the time. Oh, wow. Since then, Nomad has obtained a license and is able to operate legally. Unlike Uber and Lyft, which provides supplemental car insurance. Oh, when drivers are on the apps, Nomad requires drivers to pay for their own insurance. Wah, wah, wah. See, there's always a catch, guys. You guys always like complain about Uber and Lyft being these horrible companies, but keep in mind, they're providing insurance for you guys, paying you. Like, it's absolutely amazing what Uber and Lyft do every single minute of the day. There's probably, what? I don't want to, like, millions of rides going on right now? Thousands at least? There's so many rides happening currently in Uber and Lyft. They're paying out the drivers, they're taking pay from passengers, they're providing insurance and insurance coverage. You know, they're providing licenses to drivers, like rideshare licenses, whatever you want to call it. You know, it's pretty actually insane what Uber and Lyft does. I think people really underestimate, like, or take Uber and Lyft for granted just because it exists, but it's astronomical what they're doing. For a new company to start and able to do this all legally and stuff, I mean, look at this. Since then, Nomad has obtained a license and is able to operate legally. Yeah, so they actually had to pause because they were operating illegally. Unlike Uber and Lyft, which provide supplemental car insurance when drivers are on the apps, drivers can purchase a commercial insurance policy through Nomad at a cheaper price than they would get on their own, basically leveraging the amount of drivers we have to be able to get, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I mean, it's almost done, but I don't want to bore you guys. I know you guys got stuff to do. Things are about to go nuclear as we return to a user base that has been begging us to come back. Yeah, so it looks like they are about to launch again. So, I mean, we'll see. Nomad Rides, yeah, honestly, we'll see about that. We'll see if they do launch to the public. I mean, heck, I'm always down to see new rideshare apps succeed. I mean, people call me a hater on Trip and these new, like, scammy type of companies. I don't have anything against the companies. Like, yeah, sure. I mean, I would never sign up for, like, an MLM or these companies that, oh, hey, Dylan, you know, we just want you to pay $200 a month and then you recruit. I don't want anything to do with that. But at the same time, I would love to see, you know, a new company succeed. I think it's really cool. I love, like, new startups and new companies. So I'm all for, like, these new companies succeeding. I don't want to see them fail. I think it would be really cool. I just, you know, I'm very hesitant to join a company that, whatever. Yeah, I just want it, like, yeah, I don't know. I don't know what I'm saying. But basically, I'm just saying I'm not against companies succeeding. I think it would be really cool. So anyways, guys, make sure to smash the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you want to be notified when I do post more vids on Uber and Lyft. Thank you guys so much. You guys are the best. I will talk to you all soon. Have a great day, guys. All right, bye.